Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a friend from your friends list on your PlayStation 5. And you can do this two different ways. So if you press the PlayStation button on your controller, this button right here, open up the game base, and then go to this little icon, and go to your friends list. Now choose the friend you want to go ahead and remove. So I'm going to choose someone who hasn't been online for a while. So let's choose this person right here. They haven't been online for like 5 months. And then select it. And to remove them, you want to go to the three little dots. Then you will have the option to remove as friend right here, or you can block them. So you can do those two different things. So let's go to remove as friend. And then it says you'll stop being friends with this person. So let's go to remove. And now they are removed from my friends list, and it says add friends right here. Now you do have the option to block them, and then they won't see you online, or they won't be able to send you messages or anything like that. So this is their profile after you remove them as a friend, and it looks pretty much the same, but it just says add friend on the top. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.